Hey there, my name's Chris. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ChatGPT app to control your Chrome browser so you can fill out any form you want to fill out by just telling ChatGPT to do it. This would be super useful if you live in an apartment, maybe you've got a maintenance request you need to fill out and submit. Let ChatGPT do it for you. Maybe you've got taxes and you trust ChatGPT to look at your taxes and click through the forms for you. Maybe you are a developer like myself and you've got like a Google application that's in some obscure cloud portal that has all these different menus that you just don't want to learn. Let ChatGPT do it. So that's what you're going to learn in this video. First thing you got to do, you got to download the new app. So make your way over to the ChatGPT download link. I've got it pulled up right here. Download it for Mac OS, Windows. It'll take you through a nice little login flow. It might interview you a little bit and ask what you like doing. And then it will put you on a page that kind of looks like this. So first thing we got to do is understand how to install Chrome control for your ChatGPT. So this comes in a section called plugins. So plugins, you can get there a few different ways. The easiest way is on the left-hand sidebar up near the top. If you are not seeing it, then maybe you got something going on wrong, or maybe you're on the wrong page, or you're not in the app itself. But you'll see plugins, you click on plugins, and then you'll be guided over here. There's public, personal. We won't get too far into creating your own plugins today, but what you will find is one called Chrome. If you don't see it in the featured up here in the top, maybe it's changed around, just search Chrome in the plugins and you'll find it. Now you'll see I don't have anything but these three little dots right here. That's because I've already installed it. If you haven't installed it, have this little install button. You click install, and then it will guide you through the setup flow. One thing to note is once you've installed it, it's going to ask you to install a Chrome connection. This is going to be necessary for you to actually utilize or let ChatGPT see and control your browser. Super easy, just add it. I think a lot of these ratings were from a few months ago when it was pretty bad. It's actually pretty good today, so don't let that dissuade you. So now that we've got it installed, you've got it linked, let's go ahead and give it a shot here. So one way to explicitly invoke is to do the little try now button on your plugin. You can get there through the plugins page, or if you want to invoke a plugin by itself, you can just type in @ and then you can type in the plugin name, which would be Chrome. So @ Chrome, there you go, good to go. Now let's go ahead and give it some instructions. Can you please take control of my browser, open up Bloomberg, and then navigate to the quizzes section and start to take the quiz for me. So if you didn't know, Bloomberg has some really fun quizzes or tests that they release every week. You could think of it like New York Times has a crossword puzzle, Bloomberg has a dorky news puzzle. And let's go ahead and let ChatGPT take control of the browser and actually fill this out for us. So it'll take a second. Well, it took less than a second, I guess. And you can see, I'm going to just dictate a little bit of the things right here for you. You've got this little, in the top left-hand corner, it says Bloomberg Quiz. It's created a tab group. So that's the way that, let's go ahead and press and hold. Let it know we're not a robot here. Boom. All right. There you go. We're not a robot. I promise, Bloomberg, even though we are totally letting a robot do this for us right now. I guess they got a lot of robots trying to take this quiz and up their scores. I don't know. Anyways, what I was getting at here, in the top left-hand corner, you'll see this Chrome group. That's how you know ChatGPT is taking control of the group. If I wanted to, I could go click around on different tabs. I could be on YouTube, and it's going to continue doing, what it was doing over here. Let's go ahead and make sure that it did. Bloomberg's is open. Press, yep. Please continue. So it was just letting us know that it hit a CAPTCHA. And now we'll go ahead and let it do this pointed quiz. All right, so you can see here, it'll say this ChatGPT started debugging the browser, and you'll see its cursor's moving around here. So this is not my cursor. This is ChatGPT's cursor. And it's actually clicking around for me. I've got my hands off of the steering wheel of the computer right now. and it's gonna go. All right, so let's see what it's got going on here. Hey, look at that, 10 points for Gryffindor there. And, just a few months ago, before the release of the 5.6 Soul model, which was what came after the 5.5 models, the browser use and the control capabilities of ChatGPT to control your computer or your Chrome profile was a lot worse. There was a big step change in capability, which you can take advantage of now. Let's see here. It's letting me take over the other ones. Okay, so I didn't tell it like go complete the whole thing, but you can see exactly what it's doing here. And the real power of this not only is a routine thing that you can set up. You can set up a scheduled task to wake up and do a thing for you every day, but you can also tell it to do things that you only have to do one time. So for me, there's some developer portals that have this problem of just really obtuse ways of putting things. And I don't want to go learn it. I'm going to be on there one time every 3 months. So I just let ChatGPT tell me what it's going to go do. I agree on the approach. Then it goes and does it for me. So anyways, this was a brief video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, please subscribe and drop a like if this was valuable for you.